To make your husband happy, prioritize open communication and understanding. Listen attentively to his needs, desires, and concerns without judgment. Show appreciation for his efforts and qualities, acknowledging his contributions to the relationship. Support his goals and aspirations, encouraging him to pursue his passions and dreams. Spend quality time together, engaging in activities that you both enjoy and creating memorable experiences. Express your love and affection regularly, both verbally and through meaningful gestures. Surprise him with small acts of kindness or thoughtful gifts that show you care. Respect his autonomy and individuality, allowing him the space to be himself and pursue his interests. Foster a positive atmosphere at home by maintaining a sense of humour and handling conflicts calmly and constructively. Lastly, prioritize physical intimacy and emotional connection, nurturing the bond between you both. By consistently showing love, support, and understanding, you can contribute to your husband's happiness and strengthen your relationship.